Hey everyone, it's Mortgage Mythbuster Monday, and today we're going to talk about credit scores. I'm Greg Anderson with Caliber Home Loans, and one of the biggest myths that I hear is that you have to have excellent credit to buy a home. That is absolutely not true. There are loan programs for people who've had credit challenges in the past. What a lot of times we want to see is that people's credit is on the mend. So I would say the best thing for you to do if you feel like your credit score is too low to buy a home is reach out and talk to me. I'm happy to either put a plan together to improve your credit and get you to a point where you can buy, or a lot of times people come and they think that their credit score is not high enough, and when we pull their credit, it is high enough to qualify for a number of really competitive programs that are out there that don't require excellent credit. So I think there's a lot of misinformation around credit scores. If you give us a call, I'd be happy to go through your specific situation and tailor-make a plan for you to get into a home sooner rather than later. I'm very passionate about home ownership, and I think there's a lot of folks out there that just don't know the facts. They're hearing myths on social media, and they're reading myths on Google. And there's just a lot of folks out there that I think could qualify for a home, and they just aren't aware, and so they continue to pay rent. So if you need help, please give me a call, 425-765-3115, and our email is team.anderson@caliberhomeloans.com. We look forward to helping you.